The award-winning Ken Onion knife and tool sharpener was designed by Worksharp with the help of legendary knife maker Ken Onion. What do you get in the box? Well, it comes with the sharpener itself that includes the power base and the cassette. You also get 5 flexible abrasive belts that range from coarse to extra fine. And you also get this handy flow chart that helps you determine what edge to put on any knife, whether going from the angle all the way down through the abrasive to use depending on the condition of your knife. Setup on the Ken Onion is simple. Plug it in, select the angle you want for the knife you're sharpening from 15 to 30 degrees on this angle adjustment knob. Install the belt for the condition that your knife is in, and then select the speed. Low speed for grinding knives, high speed for grinding tools. To get started sharpening, remember to place power pull. Place the knife in the guide with the heel in contact with the belt. Power the unit on, immediately start pulling through, and stop with the tip of the knife in contact with the belt. Stopping with the tip of the knife in contact with the belt will ensure that you keep that factory profile and a nice sharp tip on the knife. For tools, you'll want to remove the angle guide, rotate the front edge guide, and then rotate the cassette into place for grinding tools. Use a high speed and bring the sharpener to the tool. The Ken Onion Edition also has an available blade grinding attachment to take your sharpening to the next level. Simply remove the cassette that comes originally with the Ken Onion and install the blade grinding attachment to have the ultimate at-home sharpener and grinder. Sold separately. All Worksharp sharpeners are backed by a 3-year warranty and our world-class customer service.